as you walk in, this is what you see. You do have to put your key card in for the lights to turn on. So the door closes, and right as you turn around, there's a light switch, and then in here is the water closet, the toilet, floor to ceiling tile, let's see, basic restroom, which is kind of odd that it's located like off, kind of right by the door. The bathroom is totally open. So we do have a very nice jacuzzi tub, which I appreciate. And then the dual sinks. And then I do like, this is so like 80s, the cinder block, no, not cinder block, what is it, those called, like glass blocks, but they're purple. And then here's the shower. So it is a nice like rainfall shower, and it's a walk-in, like the shelf for your products. But this is like totally open into the room. So I don't know about that. This room is very, very white. I feel like that's kind of the Ryu style. There is a nice closet here, and sorry, my luggage is right here. There are 2 mirrors on the closet. Let's see. Oh, the closet inside is black. And there is a safe, a little shelf, lots of hangers, lots of storage up there, an iron and an ironing board. And then as we swing around, there are 2 double beds. It's just very stark in here. I think that there's usually pillows on the beds and maybe a throw that they've removed, probably for COVID. And then here is the mini bar, and I'm gonna say the mini bar is probably empty. Oh, it's not. Wow, that's kind of shocking. So there's sodas, there's some Dos Equis, lots of water, I appreciate that. And there's a plug. Now, because of COVID, they have removed the bottles to pour your own liquor. Apparently, I can order them on the app. I'm wondering if like they give you mini bottles. Not sure, we'll see about that. Nice little rack for your luggage. Couple of drawers here, nice TV. There is a ceiling fan, which I feel like you don't see enough of in hotel rooms. There's 1 plug next to the bed, I guess. And I do like those little spotlights. And then we have a little sofa here with a print. One thing I kept here when I walked in the room, there's like this piece of plastic just sitting there. I'm not sure what that's about. Nice little table and chairs. And then as we look out, this is an ocean view, ocean view, junior suite. And let's see if I can open the door. Oh, that was easy. So here is a little rack where you can hang your towels. Nice big patio. There's only 1 chair, which is interesting. So don't know about that. And then here is the resort. Looks like this is a restaurant down here, and maybe a stage where they do shows. Pool view, ocean view. I can't complain with the room. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks really nice, and yeah, pretty good.